Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 5. It is from chapter 29 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to find the longest wavelength photon that can eject an electron from potassium. Okay, let's make a list of what we know. We have the binding energy. Call that BE, and that is 2.24 electron volts. Okay, and we need the longest wavelength. Okay, this corresponds to the lowest frequency. The lowest frequency is F0, or the threshold frequency. That happens when the kinetic energy of the electron is 0. So we can start with KE is HF minus BE. Set that kinetic energy of the electron to 0. We have HF minus BE. And so HF is equal to BE. Note, we could be having a subscript F0, so the subscript 0 on the F for the threshold frequency. Either way. C is equal to lambda F, and so F is going to be C divided by the lambda. So let's make that substitution. We get HC over lambda is equal to the binding energy. Okay, so lambda times the binding energy is equal to H times C. So our lambda is Hc divided by the binding energy. So we can make these substitutions. H is Planck's constant, 6.626 times 10 to the minus 34 joules times seconds. C is the speed of light, 3.00 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. We are dividing by the binding energy of 2.24 electron volts. Note, we have joules in the numerator, so we need to convert this, and we can use 1.60 times 10 to the minus 19 joules per electron volt. Okay, this gave me a lambda of 5.546 times 10 to the minus 7 meters. To 3 sig figs, that is 5.55 times 10 to the minus 7 meters. We can convert that to nanometers. There are 10 to the 9 nanometers for every meter. And so our lambda is 555 nanometers. Okay, so that's all part A. And then in part B, we need to answer, is this visible EM radiation? And we can say yes. This is visible EM radiation. And that is because the range of visible EM radiation is about 380 to 750 nanometers. And so this is actually green light, but we only needed to answer if it was visible or not. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.